The vibrant sunrise yellow suits the GR86 and BRZ twins, complemented by matching interior stitching. Toyota has introduced the GR86 RZ Yellow Limited in Japan. Subaru followed with the similar BRZ STI Sport Yellow Edition. Both feature special touches and are restricted to 300 units each. A splash of bright yellow has just landed in Japan's domestic sports car scene, thanks to two new limited production versions of the Toyota GR86 and Subaru BRZ twins. Both share the same vivid exterior finish and matching cabin details, though Toyota's edition adds a few extra performance tweaks. The BRZ STI Sport Yellow Edition also comes painted in the same sunrise yellow shade, but rides on black 18-inch alloy wheels with gold calipers and blacked-out Subaru emblems. As for the chassis, it mirrors the regular STI Sport trim that already comes equipped with Brembo brakes and a firmed-up suspension. In the cabin, the Subaru echoes its Toyota sibling with yellow stitching over black ultrasuede and leather trim, plus BRZ Yellow Edition badging on the doors. Neither model alters the powertrain, sticking with the naturally aspirated 2.4-liter boxer engine that produces 232 horsepower, 173 kilowatts/235 PS, and 250 Nm, 184 lb-ft of torque. Rear-wheel drive remains the layout of choice, with buyers offered either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic. Both special editions are limited to 300 units exclusively for the Japanese market. Interested buyers will need to secure their place through a lottery system, with dealers already taking applications. Pricing starts at 3,897,000 yen, $26,500, for the GR86 RZ Yellow Limited and 4,180,000 yen, $28,400, for the BRZ STI Sport Yellow Edition.